morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa
please be reminded that
Quezon City Hall.
we have pacer marshals. These are our female marshals.
Para sa
please do not overtake them. They will be setting the pace for the ride.
2024.
Because this is not a race.
Sombrero talaga. Wala na ako eh. Wala ko. We'd like also to extend our heartfelt gratitude sa lahat po ng mga partners namin. And also, thank you po sa Quezon City. And now po, ipapakilala po namin sa inyo ang aming tour director na si Mimo Molina. Siya po ang magsisimula ng ating programa.
Alright. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. I am this year's tour director, Mimo Molina. First, we are honored deeply, to be able to celebrate this morning's ride and event here in Quezon City. This city, which has garnered gold awards for LGU promoting active mobility, given by the Department of Transportation, Department of Health, and the Department of Interior and Local Government in 2023. Second, I would like to use this time to thank all the members of the group, committee members who have stuck through with us until the end to celebrate today's Tara. Third, we are more than happy to celebrate today with friends and cyclists from all walks of life. We have more than 100 cyclists here. We have 700 bicycle clubs registered for this event. Whether now, if you're on a mountain bike, Japanese, folding, gravel, fixie, road, or pedal assisted, we all share the same goal for a greener future. Fun fact today, while this marks the 23rd Tour of the Fireflies, it was not long ago in 1999 that we celebrated the first Tour of the Fireflies here, and so we are just as happy to celebrate again an advance happy birthday for everyone in the city that started it all for us. Fast forward to today, we continue the Tour of the Fireflies, not just for this program, its prizes, the costumes, or the awards. We push forward the We push forward with this, promoting the bicycle for cleaner air in the third tour of the Fireflies. Welcome po sa lahat and good morning. Next, may we
sa umaga nito. Maraming salamat sa kalakasan ng bawat isa, sa bawat biker, sa bawat group, Lord, na nandito ngayon. Panginoon, humihingi po kami ngayon ng kalakasan at gabay at proteksyon, Panginoon. Nang sa ganun, matapos namin ang event na ito na walang nasugata, walang nasaktan sa pangalan. At maraming salamat din po, Panginoon. Gabayan patnubayan niyo po kami, Panginoon, sa gagawin namin pagbibisikleta. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, ang lahat ay magsabi ng
Amen!
Amen po!
Maraming salamat po, Sir Edgar.
Good morning po muli, no? We would like to take you through the route, though we posted this in the last few days. Now we are going left on Esteban Abada, which will now bring us to F. De La Rosa, or right towards Katipunan Avenue. On Katipunan Avenue, we will ride straight towards Congressional Extension. From there, we turn left and ride it all the way down to EDSA Muñoz. Upon reaching EDSA, we turn right here and then travel all the way towards A. Bonifacio. We take the roundabout, we go back and then turn right on 8th Street. Upon arriving 8th Street, we will tour the streets of Caloocan City, riding all the way down from 8th to 5th to C3. From C3, we will exit back to GR Araneta to enter Quezon City through Quezon Avenue. From here, we will continue riding on until we reach Timog Avenue. We turn right here, we proceed following itself to reach Quezon City Memorial Circle. Then we will end back to enter through Gate 2. It is towards the end that we will be welcomed by a splashing sunrise by BFP. Now for the ride briefing, no? Just before we take off, I would call
Hot temperature now, so all have to be safe, be ready, and if anyone needs medication, I hope everyone has taken it. So along the route, we will be guided by our marshals from Parta Brigade and together with Ipos from Quezon City. If you need assistance, just tap them or call their attention so they can assist you. And you also have ambulance behind you. So, with everyone move to the